Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. That being said, you all, guess what time it is? Gratis time. Y'all see this big old bag, y'all? I tell you, they gave me 2 bags. Like, I have 2 big bags, you all. We're gonna go here, jump straight into this hair video, because I don't want this video, I don't want to do too much talking, because I know y'all want to see what your girl got, okay? I'ma just, this time I didn't open anything. So this here is a true unboxing. So let's see what this bag is about. Let's see. And this is the March bag. So here's all the cards and information regarding all the items that we got. Going over my list to make sure I received everything. Get a facial moisturizer. I did get this before. My daughter really loves this, so I will be giving that to her. Then we got a this little brightening serum in this hair brand. So we got that. Other day, styling wand. This helps to lay down your flyaways. It's like a hair mascara. Call it like a mascara for your hair. Ooh, y'all, Summer Fridays came out with some eye patches, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot wait to use these. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my skincare fridge, so when I'm off, I can relax and put these under my eyes, y'all. I cannot wait. Cleansing balm. This is a new brand that's at our that's in our store. I'm trying to show you. Cleansing balm. It's taped up. Let me see if I had those little mini scissors. Yeah. So it's just like a little cleansing balm. I thought it was going to be in like a bigger container. So this is something that you could travel with. Oh, okay, we got this here, Dr. Dress. It's a lip balm. These are the Sephora eyeliners, the felt tip ones. This is in the shade black. So here is a white box. Let's see what's in this here white box. Oh, this is a Joe Malone fragrance. This here is called Beach Blossom. Like, smells okay. I probably would have to put this on the body to really see how it smells. Ooh, Merrick came out with some new lip liners, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like gel lip liners. So I would have to take everything off my lip and then put it on dry. But yeah, I ended up with the shade Brownstone. The Sephora mascara, the body butter, the travel body butter and golden hour. These are really cute, y'all. Peels cleanser. We got the dry shampoo by Crown. I don't think I would need this, but that, I think the brush comes with it. Let me see if the brush comes with it. Yeah, it's a brush. So I guess you're supposed to sweep it on your scalp or something. I don't know, y'all. We got that. We got the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. Repair cream. I got that. Flex number 5 is a scalp treatment. Moroccan oil fragrance. This one smells like a cleaning. I don't know, it smells like clean laundry or something. A fresh scent. It kind of reminds you of one of them scents from the brand Clean. That's kind of what it smells like. Something from NARS. I got a Radiant Concealer. I do like NARS concealers. They're really creamy, so I did get this. I started to get shades a little lighter because every time I pick out shades, they be a little too dark. The Lancome mascara. I'm not going to open that. Got the new Fenty. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't buy one, y'all. We got the new Fenty glitter lip balms. And then we got something from Topicals. It's a brightener. Then on to the next bag, y'all. When I tell you I haven't even put the other stuff up, y'all, like, now see what people mean when they used to be like, they used to get so much PR stuff and they didn't know what to do with it. I'm kind of feeling like that, y'all. The Way Thick Hair Conditioner. I did remember picking this because I wanted the one for thick hair, but I probably should have gotten the one for medium hair, but I got that, and it's in conditioner. I will say working at Sephora has introduced me to a lot of hair care products because I wasn't big on hair care products. I get something from Estee Lauder. This here is a advanced night repair cream. And this here is new. Let me show you what it looks like. So yeah, we got that. We got something from Fable and Mane. I like Fable and Mane. This is a Shine hair mask. The packaging is just so cute and colorful. I did get something for like hair, and yo, when I tell you I've been using it like every day. Well, it's not open, so I don't want to open it and not use it, so I'll wait. But this here is a Shine hair mask. I'll probably smell it at work because I don't want to open it if I'm not planning to use it. Keep it as fresh as possible. A Giorgio Armani foundation, and I remember picking a shade a little light, so yeah, I ended up picking 8.75. so hopefully this is a good foundation, because foundation, so hopefully I like it. It matches, because oh my gosh, y'all, got a new Say blush. I don't know if you know, but Say came out. Oh, I love popping this. Say came out with blushes. Let's see which one I got. I got Grazy. Oh yes, I did. I picked a good cover. So here is the shade. So pretty. Oh, we got the Jisoo hair oil. We supposed to got this last month, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy about this hair because, y'all, when I tell you this is some good stuff, it smooths hair, 19 times smoother hair, 4 times stronger hair, 85% shinier hair, and 72-hour frizz reduction. Show you how cute this hair packaging is. Where's my pillow? Because my damn back is hurting. Like when I use this, I am definitely going to keep this here little container. I got another Charlotte Magic Cream, y'all. When I tell you I have so many, but I have another one. So they say it's good. I just haven't used it, but they say it's really good. So I guess I'ma just one day use it. Oh, we got the Dolce & Gabbana. I already got one, so I may gift this to someone or just have a backup, because the one that I have is engraved. Let me show you. Actual fragrance right here. And so they had someone engraving stuff, so I ended up getting the back of my bottle engraved. And instead of putting a Bible verse at the end, because it says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and instead of, like I said, instead of putting a Bible verse, I put 305, which is my birthday. So this one I don't want to give away. And like I said, we ended up getting one in grad. It's the same size. She said she didn't want it, so I don't know. I may keep it as a backup or gift this to someone. Complex, I was going to get them some stuff. Yeah, no, Tower 28 came out with some new blushes. Ooh, I think I picked the one I wanted. Ooh, y'all, my back is hurting. Okay, this is not the one I wanted, but here's the would have picked a darker one, but I have that. Getting down to the down. Tarte powder. And I did pick the yellow shade. I know I already got one, so I don't know. Oh, look how cute. It comes with the little puffer. How cute. So just to let you know, it do come with a puffer. So this here is new from Laneige. It's a bouncy and firm serum. Yeah, on this is super cute, you all. Like, super cute. Like, look at this. Look how cute and pink that is. Like the perfect pink, right? So Milk came out with some skin tint. So I did get the shade, what did I get? Shade 11. Skin tint, y'all. More of these self-adhesive lashes. I did already purchase these, so I do have a backup. So yay to that. It was so cute, y'all. This is the Westman and Tillier. It's the new bronzer, y'all. Look at the packaging. Like, why couldn't they put... Now, why y'all couldn't put that on the back? But anywho, so you just shake it up, and it's like a bronzer. Let me show you. So here is that right. Can you see it? Oh, look at that. Like that. And what shade did I get? Soleil Parfait 2. Packaging. Oh my gosh, y'all. Last but not least, this one here I'm so excited for. We got the new Kayali. The new Kayali Sensual. But when I tell you, I love these cute little bottles. Like, look how cute. Because we did get the bougie marshmallow, yum bougie marshmallow, and then I have this one. Like, I love her small bottles, y'all. To me, I like these better than the other spray bottles. So good. Like, it's sweet and floral, if that makes any sense. Like, where's the notes on this? Peach, rose royal, pink peony, and velvet wood, and purple musk with this. And look at the packaging. Like, how stinking cute is this? I tell you, that's everything we have got in gratis for the month of March. Like I said, for the month of March. Of course, y'all know I wanted to share because that's what I do here on this channel. This here mic set, I just got it in the mail tonight from Amazon. So y'all, let me know how y'all, if y'all notice a difference in the audio. So I did, like I said, just get it. I am wearing it right here. It's like a mini mic. I went for a mini mic is because you can also connect these to your iPhone. And you know, I do a lot of like Dollar Tree vlogs and stuff like that, and I usually like talk through my AirPod, but now since I have the mini mic, I can attach it to my phone and I can talk, and when I talk, it'll come through the mic, and the audio will sound a lot clearer than the actual audio from my phone. It comes with this cute pouch, and I can also connect this. I have it on my Sony camera, and then you can also connect it to your DJI. So I'm gonna go back and listen to the audio to see how it sounds, because I was filming with the Rode mic, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's time for me to upgrade my mic, because I have had this since Covington, and that was over 5 years ago. So it's like, okay, Tamika, it's time to upgrade. I'm that person that I would invest in myself regardless of what. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, I repeat, you do not need all this fancy stuff. That's just me. I'm that person that if I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna go all out within my means, you know. So I say that to say I wanted to upgrade my audio. I wanted something that I can use to connect to my cell phone. So when I do use my cell phone, I'll have good audio. And like I use the mic on the camera, you do have to connect your transmitter. But to use it on the DJI with camera that everybody and their mama got, you don't have to use the transmitter. You can connect it Bluetooth. So right now I'm just trying it trying it off of my camera just to see. So again, I'll get to check out the footage. I'll get to check out the audio to see if it's a big difference. Because if not, this little cutie will go back. Like how it comes with everything. This is like the little charging box for it. And then, like I said, have your little carrying case that has 4 granites, you all. So I did install this here wig, y'all. Tell me what you think. Instagram, you may have already saw my video. In this here video, I just wanted to share what I got for the month of March. So stay tuned because I will be showcasing April, y'all. Because let me tell you, these days and months are flying, you all. We are almost at spring and summertime. You hear me? Like, we almost. And if y'all don't know, my daughter will be graduating in May of this year. So 2025 is our year, baby girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah. So if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all. Helps out my channel. Forget to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be what? Let me pull my little mic out so y'all can see. So y'all can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time. And before I go, look how little the mic is, y'all. Like, so little. And I will probably do a review on this hair mic if you are interested. So with that being said, I will talk to y'all later. Mwah.